Hi again. Just a sort of a quick vlog, but it'll probably go on longer. But I'll try to keep it to probably about 6-7 minutes. Yeah, I'm at a job today. It is blustery. It is cold. I'm not enjoying it. We're nearly done. I was going to do another job today. Probably won't now because of fencing deliveries and that. I've got some fences to do because of the deliveries. Because obviously a lot of fences have gone down, so they're pretty busy. I can't get the delivery to my house until sometime next week. That's for the first fence. So the early part of next week, I'll still have a bit of time to do some regular sort of gardening. You can still see no haircut. I need a shave as well, but how cold it's been, I'm tempted to leave it at the moment. But you know, sort of, it's a wind. If it wasn't so windy, it wouldn't nowhere near be so cold. But we're not really having much ice and that in the mornings or anything like that. Well, to be honest, it's probably a week or two ago since we last had the ice on screen in the morning. But anyway, I'll get on to the purpose of the video. I've just gone over 900 subscribers. So, after all these years, I'm finally getting nearer to that 1,000, which was my goal from the beginning. I think as I'm doing this video, it's 903, so about 97 to go. So yeah, thanks for everybody subscribed, and yeah, that's great. I'm getting nearer and nearer, so hopefully by about sort of April, May time, I'm sort of there. So yeah, what else? Yeah, we're just jogging along at the moment with some general maintenance stuff, and I've just done a fence and I've got 3 more to do now, so that's going to keep us pretty busy up until sort of really when the grass season should begin. So yeah, so that'll be good. That work out. Hopefully, if I can work out that just right, it means it won't really be hectic. It'll sort of will evolve into the fencing will fade out and I'll be done, and then the grass cutting and that will come in. And then that should be us sort of sorted throughout the summer. So yeah, these fence jobs come up at a good time. I've spent a bit of money lately. I bought another work vehicle. It's another Land Rover Defender. It's going to be quite a regular vehicle. I use this one, and it will be, you will see it on this channel, featured on this channel now and then, but mainly it will be on my other channel. So at the end of this video, I'll put a little thing in the corner, and that'll take you over to my other channel. And then if you like what you see over there, if you give us a sub, then there's going to be some bits and pieces of little bits and pieces I'm doing to it, and yeah, there'll be more about it on that channel rather than this channel. So probably as time goes on, that channel will probably be having more regular content on it than this one, because once I get to my 1,000 on here, I've got my to my goal. I'm not thinking about finishing the channel. I'm not doing any more videos on here, but probably my focus channel will be the other channel, because that will be car related and things like that. So that will be my focus channel, because the stuff I put on there seems to get even though I'm about a quarter of the subscribers than I have on this channel, they're getting a lot more views on that channel, because it's different sort of, some of it's different stuff than I do on here. So so yeah, the gardening channel, this one, will still carry on, and I shall alternate some odd service repair videos on here, and then some on the other one as well. And then yeah, I'll work it like that. So to be honest, to get the best of both worlds, if you subscribe to both, you'll get the best of both worlds, because you'll see what's happening on here and what's happening on there. It's hard to keep the gardening ones up over winter, because there's not really a lot going on in the summer. Yeah, mowing videos and that, but I would think there's only so many you want to see. So how I'll try to do it is on different machines and different places, and yeah, give you a video sort of every sort of fortnight or something like that on the gardening one. And the other one, that will just be as and when I do something. Like the Land Rovers, have a Land Rover, you've got to tinker around with them and that, so there's going to be bits and pieces going on them. There should be a video coming up pretty soon on the new one, because I've got to do a few jobs on that. So yeah, if you want to pop over to there and have a look, I'd appreciate it if you're at least going to have a look. And yeah, if you subscribe, that's great. So yeah, I haven't done a lot on that channel for a while, so there is going to be some videos coming up on there. The sun is actually shining today, but like I said, I've got to do some bits and pieces. I'm half tempted to call it a day after this one and get the bits and pieces done. It's only Wednesday today, so I've still got all tomorrow and Friday morning to do me general stuff, and that's easy enough time. And tomorrow's meant to be okay, I think, weather. So yeah, I'll just leave the video there. Oh yeah, just before I go, yeah, this year I'm just going to say this, and it'll probably come back to bite me. But this year I'm not really going to focus on buying too much tools for my gardening, because to be honest, I'm about there. If I've got a lot of scarifying, I possibly might buy a new backpack blower. Just looking at the cat there run across our dog, you couldn't have seen it. A new backpack blower, but that's only if I get a lot of scarifying work and that, because that'll help out with the raking and I can sort of blow a lot of it. So that'll depend, but that's about the only thing I've got on my mind really to buy this year. Everything else, I'm sorted really. I've got more than enough. I've got the cat hiding under the deck. So yeah, there won't be many more new additions, but there has been a few new additions lately. Things I've sort of picked up and repaired and decided to keep for the business. So you will see them on here. So yeah, I'll try to carry on doing the reviews of each tool as I use them. They've stopped a little bit lately, but I think I've got one or two that's been started, so I'll look into them. It's been pretty busy. I've been trying to sort out a lot of stuff, which obviously would be too boring for you to watch, because it's just me sorting out sheds and rubbish and everything. I've accumulated too much stuff and I need to sort it. So anyway, I'll leave the video here. Yep, if you can, it should come up in one of the corners here to the other channel. So if you want to pop over and have a look, that'd be great. I'd appreciate that. Thanks to every one of you, 900 and odd subscribers, for sticking by me this long. Well, some are new, some are old, some have been here from sort of day one. But I sort of get the same sort of people commenting. It'd be nice to see some different people. But if you watch my videos regular, put a comment in. It's nice to see different people popping up. And yeah, I'll leave it there. So yeah, thanks again, and I'll be along with another video again soon.